Hi guys, what's up? It's a new day. We're here with Shane and Britney. You know this car. Super sexy, white Mustang Mach 1. You probably didn't see any videos. I'm trying to find one and link it in here of Britney at Cleetus and Cars Indy. Yep, that's when it was. See, it was like 3 weeks ago. As I'm in the staging lanes waiting, talking to LS Postal, Shane's going down, and we see big puffs of white smoke. And I'm like, oh my god, what happened? You saw like little bits of it where we were putting Britney onto the trailer. So Shane, what exactly happened?
Well, we put new BR6EF plugs in it before we left for the track. And as you can see here, those did come apart. When that happened, car melted a hole through the head, dumped a bunch of coolant in the cylinder, and bent a rod.
I didn't even
Shoved
see
the
that
bottom
up
of the
close.
piston into the crank on both sides and cracked the block.
Yes. That sucks. So Shane, I gave him a GoPro a couple weeks ago. He pulled out the motor and tore it down to find exactly all the stuff. So that's just a preview of it right there. But we're going to go ahead and show you all of what he did.
So I got everything disconnected. These hoses are going to come out with it. So it's just some of this wiring here, but all ready to come out. And all I'm going to need is a helper to take off this hood, because it definitely can't come out with the hood attached. While this is out, I plan on maybe touching up some of this wiring a little bit, or hell, maybe even get rid of it altogether. I'm just going to go wireless with a wireless motor. Did they make those? Wireless motors? I don't know. Anyways, I'll take a look underneath here. And not much to see, but yeah, everything's ready to go. Trans is unbolted, motor mounts are gone. Any wiring underneath it here is all disconnected, so all in all, not bad. I've done this so many times where it's almost become second nature. Oh, this is the shop dog, Owen. He has this game where he brings me the ball when I'm working on a car. I usually find it in my lap and underneath my ass, and he just waits there patiently for me to throw it. As you can see, he's gotten pretty good at catching it. Hey everybody, so quick update. I got the motor out. Yeah, sorry I didn't get that on video, but I was too focused on making sure it came out safely and without any accidents. So got it out, got it on the stand over here, and gonna start tearing it apart today and seeing what's wrong with it. I don't know. Any bets? I'm gonna go with a bearing. But my luck, there'll be a rod sticking out of something in there. Can't see it from the outside. Definitely on the inside. We'll find out.
as you can see, he was pretty busy. He's got the entire motor out and the wiring. So what did you start with the wiring so far?
Well, I pulled out the factory Ford harness, both the ECU harness and the body harness, and essentially just kind of depending everything I'm not going to need. ABS, AC, a lot of the factory sensors that I'm not using anymore. And they also went through and started pulling out some of the HVAC components here. So we're going to use some products from Scott Rod Fabrication to button those up, get those looking nice and factory with the factory match paint.
Alright, so now it's the next thing for engine. We're probably going to take a vote, and we're probably not going to listen to your opinion anyways. But what should we do? Rebuild, what was it, a
4.6.
Rebuild a 4.6, do a 5-liter swap, do a Coyote swap, do the LS swap, which you guys know that we like. And my personal favorite was do the Elephant swap. Wait, no, not the Elephant swap. Godzilla swap. I'm thinking, yep, Mopar World.
Yeah,
so that, and then there's a couple, we joked about having like 6 cylinders in it, like an RB swap or 2J or something stupid like that. But let us know in the comments or something like what we should do. It's Shane's money and his credit card, so ultimately it'll be his decision. But let us know what you should do. That's all for that. We'll see you later.